Hi, it's Dorothy Guiney with Scrapbooking Quebec. In this video, I'm going to share my Scrappy kit and plans for December 2024. This is half of it actually. The other half is coming soon when I share my December design team box for Mercy Tiara kits. I'll be keeping it simple this month with a DIY December daily kit. Originally, I was planning on using the 2024 Ali Edwards kit, but in early September, when the material went on sale, I made a game time decision and decided to pull a kit from my stash instead. This will be my 5th year doing December Daily, and I will talk about my 2024 plans for it at the end of this video. So let's get started. First thing I did is I went through my stash and I looked for a kit that I hadn't touched. So what you see in front of me is the main kit, cardstock add-on, and pocket life add-on from the Hip Kit Club's November 2022 release called Ho Ho Ho. I bought it on sale either on Black Friday or National Scrapbooking Day. I also have a basket and a bin. This basket measures 14 by 11. I bought it at the dollar store. I also have a piece of 12 by 12 cardboard, and I have this divided bin. Again, from the dollar store, I bought the basket and the bin in the kitchen section. I also have a handful of other little containers as well. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with them. All I know is that in this video, I want to show you my material and I want to kind of set up a grab and go basket for December daily. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you the pattern paper and the cardstock add-on from the Ho 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 collection. This is definitely my jumping off point. So you may notice that the prints are quite large. Now, if I were to go out and buy material for December daily, I would buy prints that are tighter prints or a 6x8 paper pad. These are quite large, but you know what? I'm going to make it work anyway. And I absolutely love the cardstock add-on. This is what I'm showing you right now. I have tons of it, and you can see that one side is solid and the other side is striped. So even though I don't have tight prints, I'm going to make it work. And again, this didn't take anything out of my 2024 budget. I already had this in my stash, even though it's brand new. But I did get it on sale. Now, before showing you the embellishments for this Ho 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 collection, I'm going to show you a bit more paper I brought in from my stash. So you can see here that triangle one, again, from a past Hip Kit Club collection, same colors. And it's also that same triangle print, only smaller. The other one says Mary, Mary, Mary. The colors work perfectly. So I'm definitely adding that to the kit. And I'm going to tuck it just in the back of this basket. That's why I have that cardstock there. What I'm going to do right now is show you the embellishments. These are from the main kit and the Pocket Life add-on from that Ho 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 kit. And later on, you're going to see I bring in material from my stash. Right now, I'm showing you some pocket cards. These are in various sizes. That's going to work because I'm going to be using a 6x8 album, and some of the pages will be pocket pages. I have an ephemera pack here, so I'm going to open it up and kind of dump it in this empty stamp container from Stampin' Up. I just find it easier when I'm creating to have my ephemera in boxes that open like this. That way I can kind of flip through them and I don't have to open up tiny packaging. I did save the packaging, however, because it's a great reference tool. Now I have a bunch of 6x12 stickers. What I just put in the basket there are puffy stickers. These are clear stickers. They're nice. Clear stickers aren't my favorite, but I don't mind those. I think I like the color. These are cardstock stickers. I absolutely love those. I'm pointing out that there are silver accents. The same thing in these labels as well, which I absolutely love. More silver accents. More clear stickers, my least favorite of the whole kit. These are chipboard frames. I love Hip Kit's chipboard. It's really nice and thin. And I have 2 alpha packs, one of them silver and puffy, and the other one red, and it's kind of a thin cardstock. Now what I'm going to do is bring in material from my stash that I found that coordinated with this Ho 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 collection. So the first thing I noticed was that the Paige Evans Sugar Plum Wishes collection from last year coordinated perfectly with this Ho 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 collection. I'm showing you a 12 by 12 foam sticker sheet from that Sugar Plum Wishes collection. You can see the colors look really nice with that paper from the Hip Kit Club. I also have some alphas. So there's red foil alphas along with multicolor alphas. And again, they match perfectly. So that's really fun. And that red foil that's in the Paige Evans Sugar Plum Wishes collection is going to inspire further selections. I'm showing you from Sugar Plum Wishes an ephemera pack, or what I have left from it. So once again, I'm dumping it in one of those empty stamp containers. I'm just showing you a few of them. Even though I've used some of them, I still have quite a bit. So that's really fun. The packaging's a bit too big to put in that stamp container, so it's just going to go in my divided bin. And now I'm showing you the specialty paper. So again, that red foil in Sugar Plum Wishes inspired me to pull out that vellum from Stampin' Up! With those red foil diagonal stripes. I also have some red glitter paper from Stampin' Up! And the silver accents in Ho 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 inspired me to pull out silver paper from Tim Holtz. That's what I'm showing you right there. So in addition to all of that, the Mercy Tiara kits last month, the Cheerful collection, some of the add-ons came in these paper bags and I saved them preciously. I'm inspired to use them in my December daily. I typically play more in my December daily, so I don't know. I may make something with those paper bags. So what I'm going to do is pack all of the larger elements just behind my paper there. Again, I have that stiff cardboard behind, so nothing is flopping over. Putting all the alphas with my paper and everything else just kind of in those bins. And I'm going to bring out more stuff from my stash. So you're going to see I do pull out some more alphas here. So again, I am going with the silver because of the silver accents in the Ho 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 collection. I have another Hip Kit Club silver alpha pack. I just showed it to you a minute ago, similar to what's in the Ho 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 collection, only smaller. I have these glittery foam alphas as well, also silver. Very picked through, but I can spell the word Christmas, so I know I can get at least one title out of it. I have these tassels from Vicki Boutin. That was from Evergreen and Holly last year. I didn't use them, but I look at the color and they are perfect, so I'm throwing those in my kit. And I also have an acrylic title. This is a leftover from the Mercy Tiara Kit Cheerful collection from last month. It's acrylic. It's absolutely beautiful. I didn't use it last month, so I'm throwing it in my December daily as well. And I do have some twine and ribbon. I definitely love using twine and ribbon when I create December daily. Now, all of these are new, but basically most of them I bought on the clearance rack at Stampin' Up! So I have some twine with silver accents, some silver ribbon, burlap ribbon, and red ribbon. So that's all going to coordinate nicely. I have two stencil packs from Vicki Boutin. The first one here was from her collection Evergreen and Holly last year. This one is from this year's collection, Wrapped in Ribbons. It was actually in the Mercy Tiara Kits Mixed Media collection last month. And I have two stamp sets, a number one from Elizabeth Craft Designs, which I love for December daily, and another one with little wordy bits, again, from Elizabeth Craft Designs. So that's it, my grab and go December daily basket ready for play. I plan to do a 6x8 album this year and follow Chamel's Journal Your Christmas class. I love Chamel's quick and easy, no fuss approach. It's perfect for me in December. The simplicity, 30 minutes of crafting a day, makes it doable. And it's like a gift to myself, a little bit of me time every day during a busy month. Last year, I used Allie Edwards products, followed her videos, and used a 10x8 album. I loved her material, and she is an absolute pro as a teacher. But it was a little too time-consuming for me, and even though I loved the end result, I learned I prefer a 6x8 format over a 10x8 format. So I'm going with a 6x8 this year. That's it for me today. I'll be back soon with my December Mercy Tiara Kit unboxing. I plan to do 3 or 4 layout process videos this month and a layout share at the end of the month. Take care, and I will see you soon on YouTube. Bye-bye.